In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Figma prototype into your Wix website. Whether you're showcasing your design work or allowing clients to interact with your creations directly on your site, embedding a prototype is a terrific way to add interactivity and professionalism. Let's dive in and walk through each step together so you can accomplish this smoothly. First, start by opening your desired prototype in Figma. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the interface and find the Share button. Clicking on that will reveal a few options, and what we're interested in here is the Get Embed Code option. By selecting this, Figma will provide you with the embed code necessary to bring your prototype over to Wix. Simply copy this code. You'll need it in just a moment. Now that you have the code, head over to your Wix editor. Think about the specific area on your website where you'd like this prototype to appear. Whether it's on your homepage, portfolio page, or a dedicated section for showcasing your latest work, position matters for presentation. Once you've identified the spot, look for the Add Elements option in the Wix menu. When you click on it, a variety of elements will appear, and you're going to focus on Embed Code, followed by Embed HTML. It's within this setting that you'll create a space for your prototype. The next step is quite straightforward but crucial. You're going to add the embed element to your web page. Simply drag this element over to your chosen location on the page. After you've placed it where you want, click on Enter Code. Sometimes it may be labeled as Update depending on the specifics of your Wix interface. Here, you'll paste the embed code you copied from Figma just a minute ago. This action will effectively link your prototype to your site, allowing it to be viewed directly within your web page. Once the code is in place, it's time to preview your work. Click on Preview to see how your prototype appears on the page. Does it look good? If you feel that the appearance or size needs any adjustments, now is the time to do it. You can click and drag the edges of the embed element to stretch it, ensuring it fits flush with the rest of your page design. Making it full width might enhance the viewing experience, especially if your design is detailed and complex. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Figma prototype into a Wix site. By following these steps, you can create a dynamic interaction point on your site that really showcases your work in an engaging and professional way. Remember to publish your changes so that viewers can experience this updated look. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy designing!